Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we've got the Glowforge update for the dashboard and smart folders. So we're going to be mainly covering smart folders, but I'm going to show you a quick overview of the dashboard because that'll be real quick. If you haven't used it already, this is what it looks like. This is the new update here. You've got this whole new sidebar, and then your whole new home screen looks like this, where it isn't just your designs anymore. They throw the catalog designs up there as well for recommendations. And then you have this giant new button in the top right corner, and that basically brings you to the latest improvements screen. It looks like this, and it shows you just what we're covering today. So let's jump into this, and I'll show you what is different and how you can access different things. So first up, real quick, if you want to be able to get to the shop or the original catalog again, just go up to the top of the screen, click catalog or shop, and it'll bring you to this page here, which you can either do the shop or catalog from here like before. Next up is this entire left bar here. As you can see, we are on the home page now, and this is the new home page layout here. Their recommended designs, what's popular in the catalog, and then your recent designs that you've recently opened. So if you want to view all of your designs, though, you would go to the My Design section here. Before we do that, I want you to note up top here, you don't have the plus button anymore. You got this drop down. So if you want to upload a file, trace a design, or create like from a blank canvas, you got to click that drop down now. So just a heads up on that. That's a little bit different if you haven't noticed that yet. So let's jump into this. We're going to click on My Designs here, and then this is going to show you everything that you've uploaded to the Glowforge so far. And on the left-hand side, you can see these are called smart folders. Right now, these are the pre-installed ones that Glowforge gives you. They have all catalog designs in it, and you can add your designs in those specific folders if you want to. And then you can hide these folders too. So let's say you don't want this folder, you can click on this, and you can click hide, and it'll hide that folder. But the cool thing is you can create your own folders now. So after you have My Design selected, you'll get these two options here where you can either organize or click add a new folder. It won't work on the home section. So let me go back to home. You see how there's no options there. You will need to be either on My Design or in another smart folder to get that. So let's go back to My Designs here. We're going to click plus new folder here. And then you can title it anything you want. So if you want like holiday events, you can put holiday events, whatever you want there. I'm going to just put my stuff for just an example. And then you can choose a cool icon that you like. I'm going to just keep the default box here and click continue. And as you can see, it added that smart folder here. So that is a folder that you can drag and drop your designs from. Now I want you guys to see something here. I don't know if this is a bug in their system right now or not, but if you're in My Designs, it works pretty well where you can just grab one of these, drag and drop it. So let's say I wanted to drag this one here, drop it over. You'll wait until it says like old school camera added to my stuff. So you'll wait until it says that, and then it'll be in the My Stuff folder here. So that works great if you're working from the My Design section, but if you go to the Home section and you try and drag and drop one of these, so let's say this one right here, and you drop it over, you see how that pop-up didn't happen right there? If you do it enough times, it'll eventually load into there, but whenever you go there, it didn't drop it there. So it doesn't really work from the home screen all that well. So just make sure you go to My Designs, and it works pretty flawlessly in the My Design section. So that may be a bug that they may need to fix if it was intended to do that, because it does work half the time, and then half the time it doesn't. So just a heads up on that. If you're trying to add it from the home screen like I originally was trying to when it first came out and I was testing with this, it will not work that way. Other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the smart folders, the new dashboard. Let me show you a quick example of this, just one of the folders they added that has like the designs pre-installed. It takes a while for it to load here because it has all of their designs in it. But yeah, here's like a list of designs that they have in that folder there. And you can go through and print them if you have premium or buy them if you don't. And then one last thing I do want to show you is, let's say we create a blank canvas here. This is all the exact same. I just wanted to let you guys know that nothing has really changed in any of my tutorials that show you how to use the actual user interface. It's basically just the dashboard that's changed here with smart folders. So just a heads up on that, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out and explained how to use those smart folders and the update in general. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.